Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ben Freer, an immigration lawyer for entrepreneurs. If you're in the process of applying for an E-2 visa or just curious about what you can do while your application is pending, then you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through some helpful tips on how to make the most of your time while you wait for that all-important E-2 visa interview. Of course, none of this is intended as legal advice, and if you have an immigration lawyer, by all means, seek their guidance on this topic. I'm just going to share what I generally tell my clients. Now, I know waiting can be totally frustrating, especially when you've invested so much time and money into starting your business and applying for the visa. But don't worry, I've got some practical tips to help you navigate this waiting period and stay productive. First off, let's talk about a couple of things that you probably shouldn't do while your E-2 visa is pending. Number one, don't quit your job. I get it, you're excited about your new venture and you're ready to dive in. But if you're currently employed, whether it's you or your spouse, it's wise to hold on to that income until your visa is approved. Even if your case looks super strong, remember, the E-2 visa ultimately comes down to the judgment of a single consular officer. And while surprises are rare, they can happen. So don't cut off your source of income until you have that visa in hand. Number two, don't move to the US just yet. I know the excitement of starting your entrepreneurial journey in the US can be overwhelming, but selling your house and buying a new one in the US can be financially risky, and enrolling your kids in school is not allowed in visitor status. Doing so can lead to complications with your E-2 visa application. So hold off on those big moves until everything is official. Now, what about travel? Can you still visit the US while your E-2 visa application is pending? Yes, you absolutely can, but proceed with caution. Traveling as a visitor is allowed, but it's important to be prepared. Customs and Border Patrol officers can deny entry if they suspect you're planning to work without authorization. So if you do decide to travel, make sure you have a return ticket and a firm return date, and definitely talk through your travel plans with your immigration lawyer beforehand to make sure that you're following the rules. All right, now let's shift gears and talk about what you can do to keep moving forward while you wait. One of the best things you can do is keep nudging your business forward. You can run a US business without a visa as long as you're not physically present and actively working in the US. This means that you can conduct interviews, train employees, direct employees, have video conferences with clients, and run ad and marketing campaigns all from abroad. And if you can get your business to a point where it's fully operational, even better. Showing revenue and having employees in place will definitely strengthen your case. And last but not least, keep gathering those documents. As you make progress, continue to collect employment agreements, updated bank statements, proof of revenue, anything that could help strengthen your case. These documents could be crucial during your interview if the officer has any concerns about your application. So there you have it. While waiting for your E-2 visa interview can be stressful, staying proactive and prepared can make all the difference. Remember, it's all about positioning yourself for success, so don't rush the process. Let it unfold the right way. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need this info, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more tips and insights on immigration for entrepreneurs. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.